Hello, hey, I am Sikandar Abu Rakib from Tute Plus 24. Today I am going to show you Raspberry Pi project. This is one of my clients' project. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 2 Model B version 1.1, and here we are using 4 ultrasonic sensor. The purpose of this project is to protect the vehicle or public transportation from collision or accident, and our objective is to put these 4 ultrasonic sensor at the 4 corners of the vehicle, and if any unexpected car or any obstacle comes in front of the sensor, then this LED will be light up and turned on, and the engine will be off. So this is the purpose of this project. So I am going to start this project. So if you look at this screen, clearing the screen, and I am running my Python code. So you can see one sensor is activated, and as the distance came in front of it, so I am again, now you can see as it is in front of the distance, so, and after 5 seconds automatically the LED is off, and the program says which LED and which sensor the interruption came.